Hi, I'm Arion, CTO and Co-founder of Modovolo.
I'm Jackson, Vice President of Manufacturing here at Modovolo.
And we're here in my basement talking about 3D printing.
Before we do that though, a quick background on why a drone company is making its own 3D print. When we designed the Modovolo Lift, we also designed and tested our production process at the same time. We knew we wanted to avoid injection molding because it's too expensive and it's not flexible enough to innovate. Once you make the mold, you're kind of just stuck. We wanted to be able to produce large quantities, but we also wanted to consistently improve the Modovolo Lift. That meant 3D printers. We bought and tested quite a lot of them. The problem we found is that all good commercial 3D printers are extremely expensive, like hundreds of thousands of dollars at times. And their print speeds and their print quality, it just sucks. We decided to design and build our own 3D printer, and we call it the BFP.
Alright, why is it called the BFP?
Because it's a very big printer, and the BFP stands for big fucking printer.
Big freaking printer?
Sure, all those work.
Big fun printer.
It's not fun.
What's the dimensions versus like a standard printer?
So one of the 4 beds is 400 by 400, which is considered a fairly large normal printer. So it's 4 times larger than a regular size printer. And that's just the bed. Then we have the IDEX heads, which makes it even bigger.
What makes the BFP so special?
So the whole point of it was to be able to print foaming PLA but ASA, so it's like an outdoor ABS. And because it's foaming, it just comes out of the nozzle at the same speed all the time. So you can't slow down in the corners like you would with a normal filament. So you have to take your corners at full speed. So you have to have really high accelerations, so then everything needs to be really light. And basically it'll shake itself to pieces if it's not designed right. So the whole printer is designed for a resonance compensation scheme input shaper. So it damps out whatever vibration it makes from a movement, it immediately damps it out on the next movement.
What's the English for that?
Makes the print looks a lot smoother at really high speeds.
Cool, done.